Are at Jerusalem, very close to King David Hotel, at the back of the King David Hotel. And guess where we are walking? What we are going to see now?
King David's tomb.
It's not King David's tomb, but you're right. It's in the King David city, and we're gonna see the only Rolling Stone that actually left in the site of a Jewish tomb. All right, and here it is. Here it is. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. For so many years, some people mark that place as King Herod's tomb, but it's not. It's owned by the Greek Orthodox Church now, and you can see the Rolling Stone. Look at that.
Is the Rolling Stone?
Yeah.
You want to see it? You want
It
to push
is.
the Rolling Stone?
Do you want to try to push it?
You want to push the Rolling Stone?
No. But you know why the Rolling Stone was here? It actually was kind of a door, a big door that animals won't be able to open, and it's not easy to open. And in that case, they roll it. And look where to. The door that you see there now doesn't exist because the door was the Rolling Stone. And if we're talking about Jesus, Jesus was buried in a cave just like that. And in front of the cave, the burial site, you could find the Rolling Stone, but today it's not there anymore. That's why I took you to that place to see the Rolling Stone. And Jesus was buried just like any other Jew, in caves like that. When we're gonna visit the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, the Church of the Holy Tomb of Jesus, you won't see that. But I want you to imagine that it was just like that. First of all, you can see a cave, and you can imagine, you can see the Rolling Stone in front of it. All right, then when we'll be there, it's gonna be totally different. But I want you to remember that place just like that.
Can I just say something?
Yes, of course.
In the story that we always hear at school, they say it's a big rock, not a flat one like that.
Oh, you mean the Calvary, you mean the Golgotha, he was crucified on it.
No, it was round rock.
That's round.
That is round.
But not flat.
Ah, you mean not flat, like a big boulder? Ah.
Then...
You'd have a job blocking the door.
Yeah, what can I tell you about that? I don't want to say that the teacher didn't understand, but that is how they used to close the doors.
Okay.
The Rolling Stone.
I thought it wasn't right.
Yeah. Now it's in a way Easter time. 2018, Jerusalem, Israel. Pa-pa-pa-pam. Pa-pa-pa-pam. All right, who needs to pee?
I done it.
You already marketplace? Don't listen to that. Oh gosh, oh gosh. And Martin?
I will find a place.
Oh, Martin, be careful.